boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Y'all know what this is. You know what's in here. You know what's in here. Y'all, you guys already know. Y'all know how Samsung gets down. We know what's in here. Oh boy. Oh boy. I can't wait. Alright. We gotta do this first. Alright, first off, we got the 35-watt power adapter duo. And we got the Galaxy Buds 2, Galaxy Buds Deuce. And ladies and gentlemen, the Eagle has landed. Galaxy Z Fold 3. Let's unbox this bad boy. Let's check this out. My SIM card finna go in this thing right now. You understand me? Right now. Let's unbox this thing. Where my intro at? Yes. In all of its glory, folks, we got the Galaxy Buds 2. We got the 35-watt power adapter duo. We got everything in the mix. We'll open these up in a second. Let's get to this bad boy right here. Galaxy Z Fold 3. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. Now this is the Phantom Black 512. You know your boy always goes for the big joint. Let's go on ahead and crack this thing open. Ooh, boy, I'm so excited for this. Oh, I can't wait. I've been waiting all day for this. All right. Let me calm down. All right, let's open it up. Real quick. Alright, obviously we know all you're getting is the cord in the box, you know, so we know that's all we're getting, so let's not even make a big fuss about it. Put it right there so you guys can see it in the frame. The Z Fold 3. Z Fold 3. Oh man, this thing, it feels so solid already. Like, oh man. Alright folks, let's go on ahead and get it in for that dramatic effect. Oh man. Yo! We got the Z Fold 3 on deck. Look at that matte back finish. Yo, this is so cool. Alright, man. Alright. Y'all ready? Let's go on ahead and let's power it on. Let's hold that button down for the fingerprint scanner. Let's power it on. Come on, Zan. There we go. Got some juice in it. And now, I don't know if y'all can see my face back here, but I'm lit. Let's... Oh, yeah, this is so cool. Oh, this is so freaking dope. Galaxy Z Fold 3. Alright. Let's go on ahead and open up the rest of the stuff that we got, because I'm going to take my time and set this up. This is just a quick unboxing for you guys. So we got the Buds 2. Galaxy Buds 2 on deck here. So let's go ahead and check these out. One thing I don't like is that these come in a white case this year, but it is what it is. Galaxy Buds 2. Got the black joints on deck, graphite, whatever you want to call them. So we got those on deck to go along with the Galaxy Z Fold tray. And then we also got the 35-watt power adapter duo. So this is actually pretty cool. I'm excited to use this because who doesn't love a good charger, 35 watts. So let's go on ahead and let's crack this open just to see what you're getting in the box with this. Oh, Hit it from the wrong side. Hit it from the wrong side. Y'all don't really care about this. Y'all just care about the Z Fold. I ain't even mad at it. I ain't even mad at it. And that's the power brick. So that's your 35 watt adapter. So you get max 35 at the top, and then you get a max 15 at the bottom with USB-C. All that is nice and cool, but yo, look at this, man. Look at this. Z Fold 3. Oh my gosh. Your boy is finally on the folding train. Finally on the folding train. We're gonna get this thing set up. Stay tuned for more videos and more content, man. Like, we're gonna get this thing set up and rocking. But man, until then, I will catch you guys on the next video. Galaxy Z Fold 3 is in the building, man. So I'll catch y'all on the next video. Peace.